fancy.
I bought this for my brother.
Hello, friends!
It's fancy.
She's fancy.
Today is the first day of our summer classes. Pero wala kami class today, guys. May event kami. It's called CBA Parangal. It is 3:36 p.m. And kami ang last na awardan, mga Dean's Listers.
Yay!
Resources or machineries have failures, it can exist. Okay? Imagine, clickbait. I will not give up this for this week. Okay?
Done for to die. I bought this for my brother. Touchy.
Dave Marcus L. Draper.
Congratulations, bro!
Happy Friday, everyone! Last class for this week. Hi everyone! Happy Saturday! I woke up very early this morning kasi my mom called me. Akala niya meron akong class, pero wala guys kasi it's a Saturday. Monday to Friday lang yung summer classes namin. I did a lot of things na, which is good talaga kasi for the past few months, late na ako nagigising every morning. So this is kind of strange or like new to me na magising ng maaga. Sinasanay ko yung self ko na maaga magising. Kasi for almost 2 months, guys, I have 7 a.m. class. So kailangan ko talaga magising ng maaga. Mga 5 or 5:30 ganon. Pero kanina mga 6:20 or around 6:30 na ako nagising. Which is not bad din naman. Today, we are gonna open this. Ito yung mga school supplies na in-order ko last month ata. By the way guys, I have 3 subjects this summer. 7 to 9 ko is income taxation, 1:30 to 3:30 management science, and then yung last class ko every day, Monday to Friday, 5:30 to 7:30, which is economic development. So yun yung schedule ko every day. Anyway, let's start opening this na. So dapat last week ko pa to i-open kasi nga diba start na ng summer classes namin, pero hindi ko muna siya in-open so that I can film. Oh my gosh, may lumabas. Tada! So let's start with these pens. So, eto, bumili ulit ako ng parang, meron siyang eraser here. Kasi guys, yung friction pen ko na binigay ni Heart, hindi ko mahanap or hindi ko makita. So, bumili muna ako nito for the meantime. And then, I bought this ball pen. Like, yung madaming color. Ayan. Reminds me of like, parang elementary days. Kasi dati, nagpapabili ako nito. Tapos yung iba, diba, meron pang glitters. So, ayan, we have here red, orange, green, blue, purple, and black. Guys, bumili ako nitong ruler set. So, ayan siya. And then I bought a notebook. Ayan siya, guys. Oh my gosh, is this the notebook? Mali yung nabili kong notebook. Super liit niya. This is what I'm supposed to give to my best friend. Pero super liit niya. Kasi diba, naalala niyo yung binder notebook ko. Malaki yun. Pero, I don't know, but super liit nito. Ito siya, guys. Yung size niya is A5. Baka A5 talaga yung napili ko. Pero, this is how it looks like. Meron siyang ruler here. Ayan. Pero plastic lang siya. I bought 3 notebooks for my 3 subjects this summer. So, I chose black color. Actually, guys, meron ding brown. Pero black lang yung pinili ko. So, Ayan siya. Meron lang siyang mga... Ay, dotted. Ay, akala ko dotted. Hindi, guys. So, may lines yung pinili ko. Ayan. I got 3. And then, this is the last one. B5 naman yung size nito. And plain lang siya, guys. So, like, I can take down notes kapag nasa class ako. So, that is it for our mini haul. Thursday, guys, before going to my brother's graduation, pumunta kami ni Heart sa Rex bookstore para bumili ng books ko. So, yung binili ko, guys, this is the first one, yung income taxation ko na book. And then, this is the other one, economic development. Wala ako ng isang book, guys, kasi super mahal niya. Baka bumili na lang kami ng e-book, ganon. Oh, I forgot. Meron pa pala ako nito, guys. Gosh, I didn't expect na ganito siya kalaki. And parang nalukot na siya here sa ilalim. I'm planning to put all of my papers or like mga files para hindi nakakalat. And alam niyo yun, madaling hanapin. Actually, guys, meron pa akong isang parcel pero wala sa akin ngayon. Nandun pa sa kabilang bahay and hindi ko pa nakukuha. So, I might get it later. And we'll unbox it na lang sa next episode ng Summer Diary. So, stay tuned!
Wow!